Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nifa Faces. And here for the beginners, please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos and get my notifications. Guys, today I'm here to show you, for those who doesn't know how to start cornrow or pencil, for beginners only. This video is very slow, so if you are new here, please first subscribe and watch the video. This video is very slow, so I made this video for those who doesn't know how to start a pencil. So guys, watch this video so that you can see how I start. I'm using Athlete for start, but if your client doesn't want to start with Athlete, please don't use it. For me, I use it because my clients are okay with them or with it. But if your client doesn't want you to start with the Athlete, please don't use it. Just use a braid. Start with a braid. It is the same. You can start with a braid and you plant. It is the same, as long as you know how to start the way I'm starting. Guys, as you can see, I'm doing it very slow, so even I'm not going to talk too much. Let me leave you and watch this video very carefully, because this is for only beginners. If you are beginners and you want my pencil or to learn how I'm planting my pencil, please watch this video until the end. You will thank me later. Continue watching, guys. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.